Ndongoi ya chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka niwamukania President William Ruto kwenda kuaania ngwatanio ya Ulei aimwia kiitonyeka na kumuthingiliila President wa umwe eatianiite na Atongoi yangi mulengoni wa Ulei kyathini cha uthaithi kuya kilioni mbunge cha Kirinyaga Rigathi Gachagua wa mutola muti Ruto kumana na utomi muthuku wa maivuthiisya mwenende Meshak David nukutwelesya.
That is nature. Ulei munini wa musumbe na ingeni wa mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka ni wata vya musumbe Dr. William Ruto kanaye noamana kwenda kuaania ngaliko ya Ulei numbu kiuki kiitonyeka na nonginya edhi wa musumbe wa umwe.
Sababu unaona wanatafuta Kalonzo kila wakati, wanadhani Kalonzo anaweza kuachana na Rigathi na Mother na JB Muturi. Now I have very bad news for them. Habari mbaya sana kwa kina Ruto. You will never separate Kalonzo from Rigathi, from JB Muturi, from Mother Karua, my twin sister. It is not possible. Don't waste any effort because it is in our blood now.
Hili jambo la one term ni kitu ambacho ni lazima kifanyike.
Hatutauziwa woga. Mimi nilikataa kuuziwa woga.
Kalonzo wane na kyathini cha uthaithi kanisani wa Ambassadors of Christ Church kwa kiliombunge ni cha umwe ya kauntini ya Kirinyaga walai andamanite na Atongoi yangi ngalikoni ya Ulei Rigathi Gachagua Mother Karua na Cleophas Malala vala Gachagua wa mutola muti musumbe William Ruto kondo wa utomi muthuku wa maivuthiisya mwenende.
William Ruto has sent a team to Vietnam of officers from the military and from the office of the president to purchase 2 executive jets and 8 helicopters at a cost of more than 70 billion Kenya shillings when our children are at home.
Wakavinda ni kau mwandu Mother Karua mutongoi wa chama cha PLP ni wawetakana ni vatonyeka musumbe Ruto akethi waende kuvanga maundu matonya kuwete uvungulu wa muo va nzi ya Kenya.
We want to know whether it is true or not that you are training militias in a certain forest. We want to know whether you are graduating the goons that beat people up during demonstrations to become a full-fledged militia to attack people because you know Kenyans have decided you are one term. We also want to know exactly what is happening. I have seen a video, a lady from Mandera complaining that ID cards are being issued left, right and center to our neighbors from Ethiopia and from Somalia. We have no issue with any Kenyan getting an ID, but it's now the people of Mandera complaining that in a few years they'll have been pushed out of their home by foreigners. What exactly are you doing to Kenya, William Ruto?
Vilingi wa mavo Mutongoi TV ni eto Meshak David